GDP growth has been projected to be 7% and beyond. But the fiscal deficit has been maintained with a fiscal deficit which is pegged at 4.3% of the GDP. Major thrust on manufacturing and Make in India. As we know, the new income tax 2025 Act is going to be effective from 1st April 2026, which puts more emphasis on simplification, ease of compliance for the taxpayers. No major changes has been announced in the income tax slabs. Education and skill development is strengthened through new initiatives, skilling programs and innovation-led initiatives including AI. Champion MSME PAM has announced. So equity support has been announced for MSME, which augurs well for our enterprises in Northeast. Now small enterprises, startups, and can get equity from the government with a MSME growth fund of 10,000 crores has been created. For Northeast, Buddhist circuit has been announced to be developed for Assam, Manipur, Arunachal. So lot of tourism boost will happen with the tourists coming for this circuit. High value agriculture has been emphasized with cashew, cocoa and coconut as the target areas. So Assam and Northeast has potential for cocoa and cashew, so we can get benefit out of that. I am disheartened about the tracking and hiking they have announced for Himachal and Uttarakhand, but there has been no mention for Northeast, whereas we also have a lot of potential for hiking and tracking tourism. So hope that next budget we get it. Northeast বাবে আমাৰ 4000 e-buses দিব বুলি কৈছে হয় আৰু tier 2 tier 3 city infrastructure to development কৰিব so Northeast tier 2 tier 3 cities আছে so we have to see how much we get for that হয় freight corridor Dankuni to Surat announce কৰিছে Northeastত কৰা নাই ডিজাইন ইনষ্টিটিউট এটা ইষ্টাৰ্ণ ৰিজনত হ'ব বুলি কৈছে এতিয়া ইষ্টাৰ্ণ ৰিজন বুলি ক'লে আমি অসমত পাম নে নাপাম এটো চাব লাগিব অসমৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ কাৰণে এটা বডি সাৰ্কিটটোহে মূল ফকাছত আছে আৰু এমএসএমই কাৰণে কৈছে এমএসএমই চুকি আমাৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্টত বেছি এমএসএমই আছে এমএসএমই কাৰণে 10000 crores fund দিছে আৰু পলিসি আই আছে সো ইন্ডাস্ট্রি এন্ড এন্টারপ্রাইজেস অন এমএসসি will be benefited
দেখৰ আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয়বিলাকৰ তুলনাত অসম তথা নৰ্থ ইষ্টত কিমান উপকৃত হ'ব বুলি ভাবে এই বাজেটত
অসমৰ কাৰণে স্পেসিফিক একো কোৱা নাই নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ কাৰণে কৈছে আৰু অল ইণ্ডিয়া মানে এমএসএমই তো সব জায়গাতে আছে কিন্তু আমাৰ অসম আৰু নৰ্থ ইষ্টত ডাঙৰ ইন্ডাস্ট্ৰি যেহেতু নাই ডাঙৰ এন্টারপ্রাইজ নাই এমএসএমই তে পৰে ম্যাক্সিমাম তো যোনটো বেনিফিট আহিব আমাক পাম আমি আৰু বুদ্ধিষ্ট সাৰ্কিট আমাৰ কাৰণে দিছে বুলি কৈছে তো আমাৰ টুৰিজম বুষ্ট হ'ব বাহিৰৰ পৰা জাপান হোক বা আপোনাৰ সাউথ এছিয়ান কান্ট্ৰিজ পৰা বহুত বুদ্ধিষ্ট আহে তো সাৰ্কিট টু ডেভেলপ হ'লে আমাৰ সবে এটো more tourism আহিলে boost economy to বহুত ডাঙৰ boost পায় so we have to see how we develop that
semiconductor ক্ষেত্ৰৰ কথাও উল্লেখ কৰা হৈছে
semiconductor mission 2.0 40,000 crores project কৰিছে কিন্তু এটো আমাৰ অলৰেডি যেহেতু আমাৰ তো আহি আছে টাটাৰ তো নেক্সট টু আমাৰ ইয়াত আহে এতিয়া মানে বেছি চান্স নাই এতিয়া এটো কমপ্লিট হোৱা পিছত চাব লাগিব আৰু কি আহে নাই We will say that this is not a populist budget আৰু কোনো ইলেকশ্যনটো দেখি পেলাই বা ইলেকশ্যন আহি আছে অসমত তাৰ কাৰণে কিবা স্পেচিফিক অসমৰ কাৰণে তেনেকুৱা পপুলিষ্ট কিবা দিছে বুলি আমি দেখিব পোৱা নাই জোশীজি আপুনি I think it is a very, very balanced and fiscal disciplined budget, not on populist side. Yoshiji is there, our past president, so he will also give some views.
Dear friends, today we had the union budget presented by Honorable Finance Minister. Lot many people were having expectation that this budget on the pattern of European economic deal would be like mother of all budgets. But I feel it's not the mother of all budgets, but certainly, I repeat it, certainly it's a worthy son of mother of all budgets. It's the time, the next year, how we carry on the intent of the budget, how we implement the intent of the budget, that will be the real test of the government. One thing I should say that all the three kartavyas, acceleration of growth, inclusiveness, these are sabka saath, like they have well been addressed, very well addressed. No rhetoric, no populism, more on deliveries. One more thing we at Pioneer have observed, that it's more on consolidation. See, still people expect reduction in tax rates. They have already done it earlier. So now country needs exchequer needs resources for development, for defense and so many other areas. So whatever they could do, they have already done. And now the fruits of that, all incentives, etc., will be in time to come. We will see. One thing I would say, formation of capital, private capital is very, very essential. All these years, most of the capital is coming from support from the central government. So the formation of private capital, we thought Finance Minister would announce some specific measure for this purpose. Unfortunately, she mentioned about the saving, but specifics are missing. Another thing, I have seen the reaction of the capital market. It's gone down drastically after the presentation of budget. See, people had expected there would be something good news for capital gain tax. There is none. And see, there is a disappointment in the capital sector, capital market sector, and this is the sector which gives boost to the economy. I must say, this budget has been presented in the light of geopolitical tension, great geopolitical tension arising out of Ukraine-Russia war. Added to that, the tariff onslaught by USA, and so many negativities are going on. So considering these ground realities, we have really come out with a good, balanced, growth-oriented, inclusive budget, as our Pioneer President has very, very rightly mentioned, giving due importance to farmers, agriculture, high-yield crops, and MSME, where we are more concerned in any region. There is a support to tourism sector, there is a support to sports, and service sector now they have recognized as a core sector. Earlier this tag was with the manufacturing sector. We in this part of country are good in service sector. And these data centers, etc., we expect there will be lot many activities in Northeast, because they have liberalized, they have invited the foreign players, NRIs, and we expect, and government is quite eager to do that. So I think And see, some may say there is no specific mention about Northeast. Friends, this is a union budget. Overall allocation on all the sectors have gone up. All the sectors have gone up. Social sector they have taken care of. Education they have taken care of. Infrastructure they have taken care of. One good thing, one good indication, over a period of time they intend to reduce the burden of interest by reducing the overall debt GDP ratio. And one very solid ratio which we all refer to or we monitor is the fiscal deficit. That is well under control. For this year, revised estimate says 4.4%, and next year she intends to bring it down to 4.3%. So as a whole, see, everything cannot be just by listening the budget. We need to go through the fine prints. In due time, we will further interact with the media, and if there are something lacking, we at Finer, our president, would certainly address all these issues to bring it to the notice of Honorable Finance Minister, Honorable Union Minister, and all the MPs of our any region, so that they can appropriately raise issues concerning issues centric to Northeast to the Parliament, to the authorities who matters. I think as a whole the budget is really good. As I said, not the mother of all budgets, but certainly worthy son of the mother of the budgets. Thank you.